Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to do how we can update a table in SparkSQL. So what I am going to do in this exercise, I am creating a table with the help of a create table command, and this is the name of the table. Here I have created 6 columns and its data types. Once this table gets created, I am inserting 5 records in it with the help of a insert statement. Once this insert statement inserted all the records, then what I am going to do, I am again creating a table with the help of a create table, and this is the name of the table. I have defined 2 columns in it, and I am just doing 2 insert. Let's do this. Let's create both the table, and then we will see how we can do the update in SparkSQL. So let's go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name it as update. Attach, attach this notebook with this running cluster. Let me create a table. Create table. If not exist, name of the table is AP employee for update. This is the column. AP cell will be integer. String. AP city would be string type. Let's run it. I am creating the normal table. This is not a CSV, not a delta table. This is a normal table. So this table has been created successfully. We can validate here. See, this table has been created successfully. Let's insert some data into it. So I have already created this insert statement. Let me copy and let me paste here. Run it. Insert statements are running. So let's me do a select star from we can see this is the same data which we have inserted in it. So let's do update. Let's do update statement here. Huh? In the single table, let's do update. 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 What is the name of the table? This is the name of the table. Set AP salary. What salary we are going to set? We are going to set 10 lakh. Where AP ID equal to 103. So what I am just doing, where the AP ID is 103, update this AP salary to this much. Earlier, what is the, we can see here, AP ID salary is this one. Now we are updating to this one. Let's run it. So one record has been updated successfully. Let's do a select. Select start from. We can see this AP ID 103 salary has been updated to this much. Now let's create another table. Create table. What is the name of the table? AP city for update. And what is the column? AP ID int and AP city. Let's run it. This table has been created successfully. We can see here also. APCT update. This is available in default schema. Let's insert some records in it. Okay. Insert into table this one. Values. What would be the value? 101. City would be Patna. This is the first update statement. Sorry, insert statement. This is second one. 102. City is Lucknow. Let's run it. Okay, so insertion has been completed successfully. Let's do a select. Select star from. So this is the two rows which we have inserted here. Let's go to the PPT. Now, in this exercise, what I am doing an update statement with the help of a subquery. So this is the subquery. What it is saying that select APCT from this table where APCT is equal to Patna. This subquery will only going to give one APCT only. But if you don't want to, if you do not put this where condition no, so all the city which is available in this table would be available here. And what it will going to do, this is the where condition. It will going to match this APCT to this city if it is present in here in this table. So what it will going to do, it will set this AP state to Bihar 1. So this is the one update statement which in this exercise I am showing you how we can do with the help of a subquery. Now again I am doing update statement. What I am just doing, I am creating a subquery. In this subquery, I am using exists here. Where exists? What exists? This APCT. If this APCT exists in this table, then update this table by setting AP state is equal to updated state. But condition which I have put in this sorry subquery is this APCT, means this table APCT is equal to this BAPCT, means what the table, what the record which is present in this table and what the record present in this table, if the APCT is matching, then update all the records with the updated state of the value AP state. So let's do this exercise in Databricks. So what so let's do update statement. Update. Which table we are going to update? We are updating this one. We are updating this table. What we are saying? Set AP state equal to Bihar 1. Where what the where condition we are saying, the where AP is equal to then in the equal to we are just putting a subquery. What we are saying that select AP city from which table we are selecting? We are selecting from this table where AP city equal to Patna. Let me format it. So we can see that we are fetching the AP city here and supplying that AP city in the where clause of this query. This is the subquery, and whatever the city it would be, it going to set. It will going to update this table and will set this AP state to Bihar 1. Let's run this update statement. Now this update statement has been run successfully. Let's do a select. We can see the APCT where which is Patna. Now the AP state is Bihar 1. Let's do another update statement with the exist. So update. What is the name of the table we are updating? Set AP state equal to updated state. Where exists. What exists? That we are going to define into the subquery. Here let me put alias 1. Here what we are just doing, select AP city from which table we are selecting it? We are selecting it from this table. Where let it make it B. Okay. Where A dot AP city equal to B dot AP city. Let me format it. So what I am just doing here, I am just doing a subquery here. It will going to give the APCT. This APCT will going to pass into the where clause. In where clause it is exist, means this APCT if exists in this table, then update this table and set this column value to updated city. So let me run it. Okay, some error has occurred. Okay, here we have to put equal to. Again, error has occurred. APCT. Okay, sorry. This is a CIT. This is a type. It is updating this table. Okay, two row had been affected, means two rows of this table has been updated to updated this column value to updated state. Okay, so let me do a select start from. This is the name of the table. Let's run it. We can see there are two state, this one and this one, where value has been updated to update state, because this is the only two city which is matching in this table. Sorry, this table. Let's do one more update statement. Okay, update. Which table we are going to update? We are going to update this table. Set AP salary. I am setting the AP salary to 10 lakh, where AP ID in. Now I am just updating with the help of a in statement, and here I am just putting a subquery. Select star from. Okay, select AP ID from. Which table we are selecting? We are selecting from this table. Let me format this command cell. So what I'm just doing, I'm just fetching all the API ID of this table and pass as a input in statement of this API ID. If it is matches, if it will match, then what it will going to do, it will update this table and it set AP salary value to this amount. Let me run it. Update statement has been successfully completed. Let me just do a select. Let's run it. So these are the two APID 2 and APID 101. The salary has been updated to this amount because this is the only two rows which is present in this table, from where we have created this subquery. So this is the normal table, right? The table which we have created here, this is the normal table. Let me create a table using CSV. This table, let me put here. Just give me a second. Let me rename it as CSV, and we are creating using CSV. Let me run this. This table has been created. Now we need to update. We need to insert some data. So I have already created it. Let me copy. and paste here. Let me change the table name. Run it. So table has been created. Let's do a select. Select star from, run it. Okay, this is the data which we have inserted here. Let me try to update a record in this table. Update set salary is equal to where AP ID equal to 101. Let me sorry. Let me format this. Now run it. So what it is saying that update destination support data source only. So this is the CSV table which we have created. Sorry, this table which we have created is of CSV. So update, delete is not allowed if the table is of CSV type. That's why it is saying that it is not allowed. So let me create a delta table. Let me copy this code to create the table, and in the CSV let's put it delta, and here let me put this data, delta. Let me run it. So this delta table has been created successfully. Let me put some data. We have created the insert statement. Let me copy this insert statement. Let me change the call table name. Let me run it. Okay, so all the insert statement has been run successfully. Let's do a select. Select star from. Data is available. Let me do the update statement again. So we have written this update statement too. So let me copy it. Let me change the name of the table. This is the name of the table. This is of delta type. Let me run it. So this update statement has been run successfully. Why it has been run successfully? Because this table is of a delta table, and delta table supports update and delete. Normal table supports update and delete. Rest of the table will not going to allow any delete or any update statement. Let's see. Let's do a select here. Select star from. We can see the data has been updated to 7,000, 7 lakh only when the API is 1. So we have seen here how can we update various kind of tables. So update statement is allowed in normal table. We can update a statement with the help of a subquery. Update statement is allowed in delta table. Update statement is not allowed if the table is not a normal table or a delta table. So let's go to the PPT. This exercise we have already done it. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.